This art is going to Mantalangon. This is the boundary place or place and going to Mantalangon. Welcome to my adventure. Oh, maybe I'm less of talking because you know it's a strange place and this is really a forest here. So guys, look at the forest, guys. See, guys, look at these trees. Do you know this plant? Yes, full of fruits. And on his vine, I really don't know how do you call this in your country. Yes, I touch. All right. So look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm scared. I thought that it was wow insects.